What's up, Animators? How's everything going today? I welcome you all in the explanation of second episode of Akudama Drive. But wait. If any of you haven't watched the first episode of it, then the link would be in the description and in the show card as well. Let's jump to the explanation. As we saw in the previous episode that all the Akudama was able to free Cutthroat eventually. Also, everyone is bound to work for Black Cat, whose identity is still unknown. Unknown means nobody knows. When episode started, we see Cat telling them that all the Akudama is being paid what they are promised for, which is 100 million yen. Quite a huge amount, right? And if they wanted, they can even check their bank balance. So all the Akudama confirms it and it's true. Then she says it's only phase 1, so don't be so happy about it. And ask everyone to get ready for the phase 2, which is no Akudama is able to complete it by themselves. So everyone asks how much they are going to get out of it. So she replies 1 billion yen. After hearing the amount, Hunlum and Swindler tries to back out and says, "We don't want you to die." So Cat replies, "You both were never the part of the plan, but you both prove yourself to be the worthy of for this mission. So I decided to let you in, but if you still wanted to live, I have no other option but to kill." So the both of them got scared and agreed to do so. Black Cat told them that this mission is only to see how capable you all are, and the phase 2 never completed by any of the Akudama ever. The phase 2 is attacking the Shinkansen. The moment everyone hears the word Shinkansen, everyone got flustered and think, how are we going to accomplish it? It's because people in the Kansei worship it, Shinkansen, like a god, but Cat says that only a human made this thing and there is nothing impossible about it. Everyone asks the Black Cat how is she going to pay for it. In reply, she says, "I am no swindler since I have already paid you 100 million yen to all of you just to test your skills." At this point, everyone is still at the execution point and more backup is also coming. So they think of relocating. Thus, in order to relocate, everyone hijacks one flying bus but no one knows how to drive it. So somehow Hacker takes control over it and everyone is flying to some safe zone. Everyone introduces among themselves while Hunlum lies to them about his identity. He told them that he is charged with 500 million years of sentence. After hearing it, Brawler become fan of his. There they also get to know about Cutthroat's obsession with red color. So there is a red button on the bus for the boost which Cutthroat end up pressing, and then bus lost control. Thus they all end up crashing it on the 7-star hotel where they plan to stay for a while and discuss the plan ahead. Here Black Cat tells them Shinkansen is the sole passage join Kansai and Kanto. So in order to transfer goods from Kyushu plant to Kanto, good must be brought to Kansai station. If you're thinking what is Kyushu plant, it is a research city run by Kanto. Also, all the world's Kanto products are fabricated here. For example, courier's bike, which is a great example to technology. All you need to do is steal the cargo, but there is one problem. Kansai station is one of the most heavily guarded place in Shinkansen. Stops at Kansai station for just 20 minutes. The only way you can get in through cargo hold, and cargo hold's identification sensor is so powerful that if you're not registered to enter, you will be burned to ash in an instant. Not to mention there is one more obstacle, which is absolute quarantine zone, which is a scar from the bomb dropped in the war. It's a dome-like zone, some 100 km wide, and that's particularly hell. The air's contaminated and there is a non-stop wind and lightning. It is why the Shinkansen is the only way to Kanto. Then all of a sudden they get to fight with the executioner division officers who are very strong. They give Akudama run for their money. So group of Akudama barely able to escape, and that's how this episode ends. Thank you guys. If you like the video, make sure to press the like button down below and please make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update. This will keeps me motivated, also keeps me going. And if you guys wanted to see the explanation of any other anime series which you guys want me to make, please let us know in the comment box down below.